Hey guys, my name is Steve and I'm with Wilmerwood Works. So today we have something a little different from the channel. We have a G7 Max drone. I've been watching drones for a while and I really thought that this kind of video would dial up our Pontiac build project. So I was very happy when this company reached out to me and said, hey, we would like you to try this drone because it's entry level. You don't need special permits. You don't really need to know what you're doing because it's intuitive, you know. It will help you instead of having to learn all this new technology and you just want some aerial shots or you just want to play around and have fun. Cool little bag that it comes in. Everything is with the remote. You hook it to your phone. You don't need to. Now I've already cheated. I did charge this guy up and we are going to check this out. So there is just a little app that you need to download and we'll turn him on right here. And we'll turn this guy on here. And then I will connect to the app. So you do need to connect to this via Wi-Fi. And really, I've only played with this thing a couple of times. We're going to connect to that Wi-Fi. All right, we got our manual mode. Let's turn our GPS off. Oh yeah. Okay, so I have a little bit more reading to do on the drone, but yeah, it successfully made a few test flights. Just have to charge up the batteries and make sure everything is good. Also have to do, just have to figure out how landing works and turning the blades off, because that seems to be my biggest problem right now is I land it and I don't know how to stop it. And changing out these blades. So I got a little bit more reading to do, but out of the box, you want to do a couple of test flights? Totally can do that.